Okay, I just picked up the package from the mail. This is from Repair Souls, Miami Beach, Florida. Same place I sent this logic board to get replaced. I just got it from the mail. I'm about to open it up. Just getting some more tape around here. This up. Okay, should now be able to open this up. There you go. Okay, we got the new repair motherboard. I will inspect it. I just want to make sure it's the same one I sent back. Let's see. What do we got here? This is the note I sent the repairman with my information. I told them I changed the whole screen assembly twice in this device. That doesn't respond. It all leads to the IC chips. Please, if you can send back the old chip so I can show my client. Passcode is 9111111. Well, we'll see if they send the old chip. They did send the old chip. It's attached, and I had marked it down as Skyla. So apparently they did do the job. Let's just try it out, folks. That's it. That's all I can do. This was a motherboard that apparently the IC chip got messed up, and obviously what that gives you is a problem with the touch digitizer. So I got it sent back from the repair shop. So now I'm gonna put it back in, and we'll see the results.